Más cagando, palo.
Benji.
What's going on, guys? Big Bert back at it. Today we got a 2018 F250 Limited with the 6 to 8 inch Kelderman suspension. Also, it got 24 by 14 inch specialty forged wheels, powder coated with the rose gold on it, with NATO wrench grapplers. I believe they're 315/50s, 24s. This truck has the front and rear Kelderman suspension on it, with the onboard air system. It's a 6 to 8 inch kit with Fox reservoir shocks, front and rear. Customer brought it to us, just wants us to go through it, make sure everything is good, make sure we got it right and good. We do install these kits ourselves, actually. We actually have one scheduled. It's about 2 to 3 months out on the build time, so stay tuned for that one. We'll actually be doing one of these kits on a Ram 2500. But yeah, guys.
Montage. Right. Busy day at the shop, guys. Right here at Cowboys Customs. I'm Ben, and I got this Chevy Silverado 2021. We're gonna go ahead and put some 20 by 10s Wicked wheels and some Venom tires, 33 1250 20s, so I could give them a nice and clean ride.
Nice. All right.
Montage. And now, guys, we got my next trade-in, this Longhorn Ram. I like the way it came out. I like the American Forces 22 by 12s with those Toyos wrapped around them. This 2020 is making me change my mind from my 2015 1500. I want to get something like this. This came out sick.
Why do you always catch us eating?
He's double chipping, bro. Not just one bag, but two at the same time.
We gotta keep it going.
What's
That's pesado, cabrón.
What's the like? Why 2 bags at once? Why not just like one now and one later?
Cause why? Have you seen the Ratatouille movie? You know what I'm talking about?
I might have seen it when I was like 6, maybe 4.
You know what I'm talking about, right?
Yes.
The ones with the rats and they cook and that one?
Yeah.
You know how they like get the fruit and like the cheese, like a strawberry and the cheese, and then they combine it and then they go like, ah. That's what he's doing.
Oh. And the both of
like,
them are...
That was the weirdest description for cooking I think I've ever seen in my life.
Wow, that's what he's doing.
That's because I like to share, that's why. If I only bring 1 bag, it's gonna finish real quick. So I gotta bring 2 bags out. See?
So it's really just to hook the homies up.
Yeah. Look at this. One of them likes these, the other one likes the other one. You see?
What's going on, guys? Big Brr back at it with another test drive. Today we got a 2016 Chevy 1500 4x4. We just got done installing a 7-inch rough country lift on it. We slapped some 22 by 12 American Force cash wheels, wrapped in some Venom Power 35 1350 to get that flush look. 22 tires. We also hooked this customer up with a set of RGB wheel lights and rock lights, 8-piece rock light, and he gets the option to either control it via remote or he can do it via Bluetooth. Pretty much it. We're just making sure alignment and everything is good on it. Seems to be driving good, but if y'all guys are interested in getting your truck lifted, wheels or tires on it, even just wheel lights or rock lights to finish up your build that you already got going on, hit us up, man. We got the best prices around. We keep relatively all of this stuff in stock. If not, take us a few days to get it in. Install, same thing. You know, we make sure everything gets done right, but at the same time we do it in a decent time. So yeah, guys, let us know what y'all are looking for. We got y'all.